Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is I'm actually going through dies, organizing, labeling, putting on finishing up, putting on magnets and stuff. And I have a lot of dies, so I need to just part with some. You know, I'm cleaning my craft or putting stuff in my craft room and stuff, and whatnot. So I have 2 lots right here. Each lot has 12 dies, and I'm just going to go through them. So this first one, this is a Crafter's Companion, like frame style die. Then we have this 1, 2, 3, 4-piece flower die. As you can see by the size of my hand, it is a decent size. Then we have this Spellbinders 4-piece oval shaped looking die. Then we have this one right here. This is like a wannabe all-to-new like flurry die. The real flurry die like this is $35, but this is the AliExpress one. I did leave them all welded together because this row, you layer those 4 pieces. Then this row, you layer those 4 pieces. So I left them together so you can see where they go. And then this row right here is these 4 pieces. This row, so forth, those 4 pieces. This row, just these 3. And then the leaves you can mix and match. Super pretty when assembled when you use all different colors. Okay, next one, I had a duplicate of this. This is the jean pocket from AliExpress. Then we have this one right here. This is the Sizzix, like framelit style one right here. As you can see, it makes like a little slide out card. A little top piece like folds up. It comes with the 12 different pieces in there. Then we have this one right here. It's like a frame style one. It will not come on this magnet. I'm keeping this magnet, and especially for weight purposes, it'll be too expensive to ship it. But this piece right here. Then we have this one right here. This is the little Bead Birthday Set. It comes with like the balloons, the banner, candle, little crown. As you can see right here, I did cut it up so that it fit in like my system, so just be mind of that. But I will send this magnet to you because it is part of the packaging, the actual magnet is. So there's that, the birthday one. Then we have this right here. These are like 2 little like floral clusters. Then we have this right here. This is like 2 little they're those flowers that you cut out in this. Why can I not grab the other one? There's 2 in here, 2 different shapes, you can see. These are like those roll-up flowers. So you cut it out in your paper and then you roll this up with like the tip of your pencil. Just keep rolling around your pencil and it makes a 3D paper flower. So there's 2 of them in there, 2 different shapes. Then you get this one. This is the little Spellbinders telephone one, 3 pieces. And then you will get this one right here. It's like the rectangle, look like a rectangle shape kind of nesting dies. This is a 4-piece set. With this one. Again, you will just get this blue packaging. You're not going to get the magnet on this one. So yes, next lot is this one right here. It's got little flower pieces that you can layer. There's one flowering one and then one is just the flower, but I think it does layer inside this one as well. There we go. So that one is the 2 pieces, the layering, and then there's this one, but I do think this one pops inside this. I don't know though. I'm not sure. I don't remember. And then we have some bubble dies. Again, this is a duplicate, so this one's in here. Then we have this one right here. I kept these together because once you start cutting stuff, it's like hard to, find what it went with. So it does cut all these little grooves. If you guys remember one of my projects, and you kind of just like fluff up those pieces of paper and it looks like a 3-dimensional flower, even though it's still flat. That comes with 9. Then we have this one, a 2 little piece like oval window nesting die. 2 pieces of that. Then this one is a little like envelope, so this part folds up and over and it's like shaped like a present. Comes with the 2 little tags and it says enjoy. Then we have this one right here. It's like a doily style like circle frame. I have way too many that look like this, so getting rid of this one. This one's a decent size, probably 4.5, 5 inches. Then we have this one. Again, I have too many box dies. This is a cute little like, I don't know that style of box, not gable, I don't know. But this butterfly part only embosses. It does not cut that part out, but it does the double stitching at the top. And then the stitching right here. Again, the hearts and the butterflies are only embossing details. This one right here. And then we have this one right here is a scalloped nesting one. Let's see, from Little Bee. Comes with 10 dies or 5 nesting frames. As you can see right there, big, decent size. Then we have this one by Little Bee as well. It's like all the, it's called Baby, yeah. So that's what you would get, and it's got the stitching on like the onesie and stuff. So there's the little pieces, and you will get the magnet for this one. The other ones, like the Spellbinders ones, you're not going to get the magnets. Okay, then we have this one, this little Spellbinders Delights, comes with 3 pieces, like kind of like not really ovals, squared ovals. I don't know how to describe that. Then we have this Spellbinders one right here. It's got all the little like rectangle, I guess, shape. Here's like the example they made. Super pretty. This comes with 7. And you guys, these are the dies that I first bought when I started Happy Mailing because I just went crazy on Amazon. So I paid like $10, $12 a piece on these guys. So this is a really great deal if you are new. And then this one right here is a flower piece that you could layer the flowers. It is the Little Bee Bouquet set. So here's the flowers right here. And I do think that these 2 right here are extra. They might just be thrown in there because they don't look like they're part of it. So yeah, that's lot 2, US only, PayPal only. First person to email me down below gets, you know, whatever lot they choose. So each lot, lot 1 is $35 shipped, lot 2 is $35 shipped. Yeah, bye guys, catch you on the next video.